Welcome again to this plan design. So this normally we have this wonderful very small size plot and this number of 3-bedroom first floor with living, wide balcony area and number of service like kitchen, servant room and living area and ground floor. So we will see one by one, column layout, everything arranged. This is our entrance, steps 760 by 695, living area. Then again we are reaching, this is our stair to going first level and this is our water closet. This is our servant room again. This is bathroom. You can keep general room or any other. And this is a 100 cm corridor. Then again we are getting 360 by 415. Backside entrance also provided. Same we are reaching first floor. So this is our first floor. This living 390 by 575. 360 by 515. This master bedroom, attached bathroom 250 by 170. And this is window. And this balcony. This is balcony with terrace. This side we are getting a small pantry 160 by 250 and this common bathroom 250 by 170 and this is our stair. This side our bedroom 425 by 360, 390 by 425. So this wonderful floor plan, very small in size in plot. You can see here back side also entrance given. So this simple and frame, you can see this is our window frame, projection purpose, and this side our frame, projection purpose, this side and this side first floor. So this normally G+1 floor plan and 3-bedroom, living and wide area in ground floor. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.